The first question that people asked was, okay, so Sarah KP. Hi, Sarah KP, if you're here, and if you're tuning in, how does coding change your career? I think this is such a big question, right? Because very interestingly enough, we know that coding is such a big buzzword out there, but at the same time, a lot of people don't really know how does it really impact you or how does it really impact us, right? So let's talk about things that are happening today. The fact is this, it is cross industries. Today, industries are talking about automation. Back in those days, banking or whatever property or medicine or whatnot, we never really talked about tech. But today we start seeing people talking about implementing tech. We start seeing people talking about implementing tech in different industries. So one key thing that we really see is that in the future it is going to be very everything is going to be tech driven, right? People are going to find out how do I use technology to create solutions with things with manufacturing, with robotics. Robotics, people can say it sounds very tech. With accounting, with law, people are talking about this right now. So yes, learning to code, obviously, it's great, right? But at the same time, I think today, what you can do is think about the industry that you are in, right? Think about the industry that you are in. If you're from law, if you're from medicine, whatever it is, that's fine. Think about, hey, what happens if there is technology? What can I use? How can I use technology to actually change things in this industry? And this is, I think, one of the key things where you can really add value instead of just, doing what people have been doing within the industry for the past 10 years or 20 years. Now you have an opportunity to actually dictate how the future of the industry will be like. So Sarah, I hope that answers your question, because tech is definitely impacting different parts of the industries, and people are looking for, people are looking not just for automation. Automating things is one thing, but now people are trying to find how do I use technology to get real-time data, to make real-time decisions. These are the questions that people say. You may or may not be coding in the future, but you need to know how are these things impacting your industries that you are in. And knowing how to code gives you the ability to be able to create a solution in that space that you are in.